A waterfall garden, a harmonious blend of nature's elements, can transform your backyard into a tranquil oasis. The soothing sounds of cascading water, the vibrant hues of aquatic plants, and the rugged beauty of rocks create a captivating ambience that invites relaxation and contemplation. To craft such a masterpiece, careful planning and consideration of various factors are essential. In this video, we'll explore a variety of waterfall garden and backyard ideas to inspire you to create your own personal paradise. The first step in creating a waterfall garden is to choose an ideal location. A spot that receives ample sunlight is crucial to support the growth of aquatic plants. Additionally, a reliable source of water, such as a pond, stream, or well, is necessary to sustain the waterfall's flow. The size of the space should also be taken into account, as waterfalls can range from small, intimate features to grand, cascading structures. Design is another crucial aspect of creating a waterfall garden. The style, size, plant selection, and additional features all contribute to the overall aesthetic. A natural-looking waterfall may blend seamlessly with the surrounding landscape, while a more formal design can add a touch of elegance. The size of the waterfall should be in harmony with the scale of the garden and the desired impact. Aquatic plants, chosen for their beauty and adaptability to aquatic environments, play a vital role in enhancing the visual appeal of the waterfall. Incorporating additional features, such as a bridge, stepping stones, or a small pond, can further enrich the experience. Building a waterfall garden requires a combination of creativity and technical skill. While pre-made waterfall kits offer convenience, constructing a custom waterfall using rocks, stones, and a pump can provide a more personalized and unique result. The base of the waterfall should be sturdy and capable of supporting the weight of the rocks and water. The pump, carefully concealed in a pond or underground, powers the circulation of water. Stacking the rocks and stones in a visually appealing manner creates the desired shape and flow of the waterfall. Finally, planting aquatic plants adds life and color to the aquatic environment. To complement the waterfall garden, various elements can be incorporated into the backyard design. A patio or deck provides a comfortable space to enjoy the tranquil setting. A fire pit or outdoor fireplace adds warmth and ambiance, creating a cozy atmosphere for evening gatherings. Garden lighting illuminates the waterfall and surrounding area, enhancing its beauty at night. An outdoor kitchen can elevate the backyard experience, allowing for convenient cooking and dining. Maintaining a waterfall garden requires regular attention to ensure its continued beauty and functionality. Cleaning the pump and filter, removing debris, trimming overgrown plants, and testing the water quality are essential tasks. By following these maintenance practices, you can preserve the health and vitality of your waterfall garden. A waterfall garden offers a serene and captivating retreat for individuals seeking relaxation and connection with nature. By carefully considering location, design, construction, and maintenance, you can create a personalized oasis that enhances the beauty and enjoyment of your backyard. The soothing sounds of cascading water, the vibrant colors of aquatic plants, and the rugged beauty of rocks combine to create a truly enchanting experience. Thanks for watching, and happy landscaping! Tell us which was your favorite waterfall and backyard design inspiration in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, you'll love this next one.